Keynote on the iPad. Drawing. Did you know that you could draw inside of Keynote on the iPad? It's a great way to enhance your presentation and add a little of your personality. To get started, press the plus sign, media icon, and drawing. Our drawing tools have appeared. First, let's start by selecting Auto Minimize. This will move our tools out of the way while we illustrate. Press the three dots and turn Auto Minimize back off if you want your tools to be available the entire time you're illustrating. Let's take a moment to test out these tools. I've tapped on the marker and I can draw. I want to test out the pencil. To make it darker, I can tap on the pencil and slide the opacity up. We can also adjust the thickness of the line. Let's try the crayon and select a different color. Our tools also come with paint. If you select paint and illustrate, everything inside will be filled in. This also works when we illustrate. So I'll select my crayon and draw a heart. I'll tap back on my paint and tap inside of my heart and it fills it in with yellow. I'd really like a different color. So I'm gonna go to the color wheel and up at the top, I'm gonna select my grid. I can also look at spectrum and I can also look at sliders. I'll go ahead and head back to grid and use my slider to adjust the color and tap inside of my heart. Next, let's try the eraser. Of course, we can use it to erase mistakes, but I'm going to use my eraser to erase the center of my heart. We've made it to the last tool, one of my favorites. It's the selector tool. Let's select by drawing around the heart. This will allow us to resize or duplicate. Let's try it one more time. And I'll click resize. And then I get the handles to resize my shape and I can drag it to another location. Let's select our shape again. I can even duplicate to make an extra copy. Now I don't have to draw my heart twice if I need it. I'll go ahead and delete it. I'll also use the selector tool to make some quick deletes. I will circle all of my lines and press delete. And I'll circle this shape up here at the top and delete. To finish off my project, I want to go ahead and draw a sun. So I'll select my crayon and I'll change the color to yellow. And let's draw a sun in the top corner of my slide. And I'll use the paint to fill it in quickly with a yellow color. That's all there is to it. Now it's your turn. Is there something you would like to draw on your Keynote slide?